Mix this powder into water and use it to water your cucumber plants. You'll end up with enormous yields that won't even fit in your buckets. This easy-on-the-wallet recipe serves as a fertilizer that'll motivate those cucumbers to churn out more fruits. Plus, it provides a protective shield against pests and gives your plant a strength boost. Sugar has an amazing role in the garden. When it comes to the process of photosynthesis, where plants draw their energy, sugar takes the spotlight. This photosynthesis reaction involves connecting carbon dioxide with carbohydrates, and sugar is a basic carbohydrate. Thanks to this process, plants can create more energy for themselves. Applying the resulting fertilizer when you water your plants will lead to bigger harvests. With their shallow root system, cucumbers require regular, though not excessive, watering. It's a good idea to sprinkle in a bit of sugar every now and then, as it provides essential nutrients to the plant. This assists in the production of more flower buds, which in turn mature into the delightful fruits we enjoy. Preparing this mixture is a piece of cake. Just measure out 300 grams of white sugar and toss it into a 10-liter watering can filled with water. Mix thoroughly, and then use it to water your cucumber plants. How often should you water cucumbers with this sugar-infused water? Go for once every 2 to 3 weeks. This form of sugar can even work as a natural defense against pests like aphids and spider mites. Also, using a sugar solution to spray your plants can promote the growth of microorganisms that safeguard your plants from diseases. Keep in mind that sugar might attract ants to your crop, so keep a close eye on your plants when using this method. Watering your cucumbers with sugary water should be done cautiously to prevent overburdening the plants. Adjust the amount of sugar according to the cucumber's needs and observe their response. It's important to note that cucumbers are sensitive to excessive sugar, which can have an impact on their growth and health. That's why it's suggested to water your cucumbers with sugary water in moderation and tweak the frequency of watering based on the growth conditions. This straightforward fertilizer technique has been employed by gardeners for years. It's simple, budget-friendly, and effective. The resulting yields will astonish you with their size and quantity.
This yellow remedy will protect cucumbers and tomatoes from diseases and pests. It will safeguard tomatoes from blight, increase flowering, and boost yields. This natural fertilizer will help your plants grow healthily and produce abundant fruit. You'll need only ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, boil a liter of water. It's important that the water is hot because one of the key ingredients needs high temperatures to dissolve. Now, add 2 teaspoons of an extraordinary powder with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, turmeric. When the mixture cools slightly, add 100 milliliters of the second ingredient, which is rich in calcium and other minerals, milk. This not only strengthens your crops, but also enhances their ability to fight off diseases and pests. Thanks to this ingredient, the remedy will stay on the plants longer. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Wait until the mixture has completely cooled and strain it through a fine sieve. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray the plants once a week. This natural remedy will help your cucumbers and tomatoes thrive, keeping them healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Store the rest in a jar for later use. Just 1 tablet is enough for your cucumbers to start growing like crazy. This mixture works like a powerful regenerating booster for young cucumber plants. It strengthens their resistance and helps even weakened plants recover and grow stronger again. Cucumbers often struggle with powdery mildew and plant issues during humid weather, which is why they need regular support. The base of this mixture is aspirin containing acetyl salicylic acid, which supports the plant's natural regeneration and resilience. Take a bowl and add 2 aspirin tablets, then crush them thoroughly into a fine powder. It creates a light, delicate texture that dissolves easily in water and quickly releases its properties. Next, prepare a small pot and pour in half a liter of water. Add the crushed aspirin and simmer everything for about 10 minutes, so the ingredients fully infuse into the water and create an active solution. While the mixture is still warm, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and stir thoroughly. The vinegar stabilizes the solution and improves its effectiveness in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Let the mixture cool completely. Then prepare a bucket with about 5 liters of water, pour in the finished concentrate, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of gardening ammonia and stir again to create a fully active solution. Pour the finished fertilizer into a spray bottle and spray the cucumber leaves every few days during the intensive growth period. This helps the plants recover faster, become stronger and more resistant, while producing much larger and healthier harvests. First, feeding for cucumbers. There's no better fertilizer than this. It's a natural nutrient boost that will make your cucumbers green, firm, and full of flavor. Start by grinding up a few eggshells, about 5. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Pour half a liter of water into a tall container and add the crushed shells. Next up, yeast. It's a natural source of B vitamins and microorganisms that stimulate root growth. Add about 5 grams of dry yeast. To activate the yeast and boost fermentation, add a tablespoon of sugar. It's their food and helps produce beneficial compounds. Mix everything well and let it sit for a bit. Then pour the mixture into a large jar and add 1 liter of water. Dilution is key to making it plant safe. Your fertilizer is ready. Water your cucumbers with it every 2 weeks, at the base of the plant, not on the leaves. After the first use, you'll notice greener leaves and quicker fruit development. An old gardener revealed to me what to put in the hole for cucumbers. Thanks to this, I have extraordinary yields. I gather buckets of cucumbers shortly after planting them in the ground. How is this possible? Cucumbers need warmth and plenty of water to grow. You can provide them with suitable conditions right from the planting stage. The seedlings will be able to grow and develop better. Everyone knows that cucumbers grow best when it's warm. You can provide this warmth to cucumbers right from their roots. The method is so simple that it's hard to believe. If you have a lawn and mow the grass, keep it for the cucumbers. You can also pick it from the garden edge. Grass is incredibly valuable for growing cucumbers right from the planting stage. Thanks to it, cucumbers will have warmth right from their roots. Dig a sizable hole. Line it with the previously cut or picked grass. The whole secret lies in the fact that when grass decomposes, it emits warmth. So bury it in the ground where you're planting the cucumbers, and then plant the cucumber seedling on top of it. You can prepare the soil for sowing cucumbers in the same way. As the grass decomposes, it emits warmth, and thanks to this, cucumbers grow like crazy. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden. Water the cucumbers with this. They will grow instantly. In the summer, you'll be collecting them by the bucketful. This simple fertilizer will make them grow like crazy. It will supply them with necessary nutrients. You'll quickly see the difference. The cucumbers will green up and start growing. Prepare a 1-liter jar and pour in some warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast to it. Stir the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir again, cover the jar, and set it aside in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After this time, prepare a 5-liter bucket with warm water. Pour the yeast water into it, and mix everything. This way, we'll get a yeast fertilizer concentrate. For daily watering of the cucumbers, it still needs to be diluted. Before you do that, water the cucumbers first with plain water. It's important to moisten the soil around the cucumbers well. Then use the jar and scoop out 1 liter of concentrated fertilizer. Pour it into a 10-liter bucket of warm water. This bucket will be enough to water about 10 cucumber seedlings. That's 1 liter of fertilizer per seedling. This way you can water the cucumbers even daily, if necessary. You'll supply the cucumbers with necessary nutrients and stimulate their growth. They'll fruit like never before.